Hi, I'm Noble Black with Douglas Elliman, and welcome to Penthouse A at 111th Avenue. 111th Avenue is John Nouvels' masterpiece downtown, and this apartment is one of the most spectacular penthouses in all of the city. One of my favorites. The owners worked with Workshop APD to totally reimagine the space, and it's spectacular. 4 bedrooms, almost 5,000 square feet of interior, and what's really amazing is the outdoor space. Almost 4,000 square feet. The views are 360 degrees, and they're absolutely stunning every direction. 14-foot ceilings, gas fireplace, the finishes are incredible. It's really an apartment without equal. Let me show you around. So as stunning as downstairs is, what's really spectacular about this apartment is this roof terrace. Over 3,000 square feet. You have views over the Hudson Yards, Empire State Building, all the way downtown. There's an outdoor kitchen, there's separate living and dining. It's got everything you would want in an outdoor space. Thanks for joining me today on a tour of this incredible home. I hope you'll agree it's one of the most incredible in all of the city. Please feel free to reach out for more information.